Welcome back, everybody, to another Code Peterson tutorial, some Adobe Photoshop action. If you've used Adobe Express, you know about dynamic text. Well, it's found its way into Photoshop, and it is awesome. Here, we're creating some social media content, maybe for an Instagram story, and I'm going to draw a text box in here. I'm going to input my text, and then down at the bottom in the contextual taskbar, I'm going to select dynamic text right there, and it automatically fits my text into that space. I can resize my text box if needed, and I can easily fit all that text without having to resize all the individual lines or trying to spend all that extra time fitting all that text in perfectly. It does it for me. How awesome is that? Let's go and show you how then we could take that same content and we could go here to an Instagram 1080 by 1080 square dimensions, create my text box, input my text, and just as easily as before, dynamic text, and it fits in there. How amazing is this feature? And again, if you've used Adobe Express, this has been something that you've used, but for those of you who like creating social media content in Adobe Photoshop, it's awesome to have this feature and to know how much time it's going to save from doing those kind of annoying little tasks that we spend too many minutes on. Now it's just with the click of a button. Last dimension here, you can see how this works if we were creating something for a graphic that would be in X or Facebook, and it works just easy. Same message in 3 different formats with the click of a button. Let me know what you think in the comments. As always, thanks for taking the time to watch, and I hope to catch you on another video down the road.